Hi, thanks for visiting the Bubble Box music program for babies. I'm Sarah, creator and presenter of the program. You are your child's first and most important teacher, which is why I want to help you gain the confidence and skills to do music activities at home with your baby. I've designed this online course for you to learn how to actively engage with your baby through music. As an early years teacher and mum myself, I'm passionate about children's development and the merits of music. Here's 3 great reasons why the Bubble Box is the smart choice to introduce your baby to music. Firstly, music activities can help boost your baby's development. We know from research that music promotes brain power and communication skills that set the foundation for future learning. Secondly, my program will give you the opportunity to make the most of your precious baby time. Our little ones don't stay babies for long, and sharing music is the perfect way to bond through smiles and giggles. Also, my 8-session program is easy to use, convenient and affordable. You can share music with your baby in the comfort of your own home whenever it suits you. The activities are presented in videos like these. The grand old Duke of York, he had 10,000 men. He marched them up to the top of the hill and he marched them down again. Can you play a peekaboo? I can play a peekaboo. Are you there? Yes, I am. Sally, go round the sun. Sally, go round the moon. Sally, go round the chimney top on a Sunday afternoon. Everybody shaking, shaking, shaking. Everybody shaking just like me. Plenty of parents like you have tried the Bubble Box and loved it. You can read all about what my customers say in their testimonials. Experience the joy of music making with your baby. Join today and set your child up for a lifetime of benefits. I'll see you inside the Bubble Box.